So welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can move your design from one account to another, from one team to another. You remember some of you may be working from the maybe you bought your Canva from a vendor, you belong to a team, or maybe you're working with a company and you belong to a particular team. So how can you actually get your design off that team so that it appears in your own personal account, so that when that subscription expires, you don't lose your design? Okay, so what we can do, I'm going to show you the account that I have here. Okay, I may blossom out because they're kind of private. So we have this one, which is my main account. Okay, this one is just here. Got to here. I can add another account. Okay, but I belong to another team. Account and team are two different things. Account, this name can sign in into any other team. Okay, you can add this guy, Mr. Gravit, to any other team. Why in that team, Mr. Gravit can become a member of any team. Okay, now this is a team, this is a team, this is a team. Okay, so I want to bring a design from this team into this team. Okay, or I want to move a design from this team into this team since we're already here. Most of the design that are here are already here. So let me move my recent design. Okay, this one is not in that. It's not in any other account. So I'm going to move this one. So I'm going to click on this three icon here, right on the page here, right on my home page. Right here, I'm going to click on this three icon, and I'm going to come here and say copy to another theme. So I'm just going to click on that, and this page is going to load up, and it's going to ask you which themes you want to move it to. I want to move it into this one. I'm just going to say copy. So it's going to take some time, and it's going to tell you copy successful. So we're going to log it into the other team, and we're going to search this design if we'll find it there, just to give you an example. Another thing there is, as it's loading, you can actually move an entire folder, okay, into another team. Okay, I'm going to show you that too. Let's look for a folder. For example, let's say these are all your design. Let's say all these are your design. You want to move all of this design into the new team, so that you don't have to waste or stress yourself. So I'm going to select these three design. I'm going to move them into a folder. So you can select your entire design, move them into a folder. Come here, move the folder. That's a folder icon, and you come to all projects, and you click on create new. Okay, now you're going to create new folder, and you say April edition. Let me just call it April edition. April edition, and I click move to new folder. Okay, so we're going to move the entire folder. Remember, we've moved one design, now we are moving an entire folder. Okay, so that we can have two ways that you can work. Maybe you just want to move just one design, or you want to move an entire folder, so that it can be easier for you when moving. So now we have April edition here, so we can also do the same thing. Click on this icon and just say copy to another thing. Okay, so if you've made plenty design before, copying it to the same team, we're going to check it in the other team. So now that we have this one, April edition, and which other design that we made again is untitled. I'm supposed to have named this properly, because now it's going to be difficult for me to look for, because I need the name to be able to search for it. So let's just switch to the other account, the other team. Let's come here. So the account that we are coming from now is my own personal account. Okay, that's where we are moving something into another team. The thing is, you can also move from that team into your personal account. The good part is nobody sees your design. Okay, nobody, unless you grant access to the person to actually view. Most of your design are private to you, even if you belong to a team. Okay, nobody sees your design except you give them the permission. Okay, so we have this one now. Just to give you an example, let's search for the April edition. Let's leave the single one because that one is titled or untitled. Okay, April edition, is that what I called it? April edition. So we are searching for April edition. um let's just click enter. Let's see. As it's loading, you can notice here on my icon, you can see that my face is still there because this is the email that is logging into this team. Anytime you log into a new team, it will always show you that. Okay, I can't find April edition under designs. I can't find it other template, but I can see it under folder. Now you have it here. So if I click on this now, I have access to all of those designs that I've grouped into that particular folder. So if you have, maybe you've been creating under a particular team before, take all the design, put them into a folder and move the entire folder once. That's how I was able to transfer my entire design that I've been designing under a particular theme to my own personal account. Okay. Now we have all this and I have access to them. I can click on this one. It's right there in my own account. Okay, right there. Look at it here. I can edit it because I actually copied it. Okay, and if I change anything here now, it's not going to affect the one in the other account. Okay, just put that in mind. And here, I can also move this back to anything. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you've learned something. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Yeah.